Okay everyone, today what was happening that our one ESP was not working and we were facing issue in our school that some ESPs were not working. ESP means this controller was not working. So what was happening that as you can see this Schottky diode was here. It is proper. There is a no bubble on this Schottky diode. Okay, so what was happening when students were connecting this to the PC? Sometime this is for protection of the circuit. This circuit diode is for the protection of the circuit. So when they were using, sometime it was getting damaged by the student. When they were touching these pins, it can be damaged or by the motor. As you can see, we are having one controller and there is a one more Schottky diode. It is damaged. It denote that there is a bubble on the top of it. There is a bubble, or it will not show the port in the computer. Okay, if it is not showing the port in the computer, it means that COM port, you understand about the COM port. If it is not showing COM port in the computer, it means it is damaged. Okay, from here, okay, from here it is damaged, or maybe it will be fully damaged. So first we will check this one. As you can see, there is a bubble and it is for protection. It means this part is damaged. So today what we will do, we will replace this part. And there is a one line. I don't think so it will be visible to you. There is a one line, as you can see here. There is a one line. This is a negative line. Okay, this is a positive. So we will connect that this Schottky diode negative here and positive here, and we will remove this one and we will add a new one. Okay, now I am having one Schottky diode. This is a very small diode. As you can see, it is not visible properly to you, but there is a one also negative. One part is negative. There is a rating of this diode. I will give you the value of this diode. Okay, and we are going to use this diode because I got this because this diode rating and this diode rating is same. It means the value of current and voltage is same for this diode and a diode which we are using. Okay, so first you will find that where is the negative. I think negative is here. When you will see from your eye, the negative line is visible here. So the negative will be here and the positive will be here. So this one was the right one because there is a no bubble, as you can see, and it is not damaged. So it is working and it is showing the port. So we'll keep it side and we will take another one. This one was damaged. So we will remove this part from here as well. First we will remove from here and we will add properly. We will remove this one from here slowly. Okay, and this is a controller. As you know, it is already, you have to remove. These are pins. So it is removed. For why I remove? Because there is a no equal base. I want equal base for soldering. Okay, so what I will do, I will remove this part from here. As you can see, this part is damaged. Okay, so how I will remove? So what I will do, I will slowly desolder it from here, desolder it from here, desolder it from here. I will heat again and again. I will heat. So what will be happen? It will be get removed. Okay, wait here, try to remove it. When it will get proper temperature here, it will be removed. Or you can use the flux over here, and flux will be helpful for you. You have to do properly because there is some small component near to it, so it will be get damaged. Okay, now it is going to remove. As you can see, it is removed. So I remove this one. As you can see, it is removed from here. You will clean this area. Okay, now don't touch another part from here. Now it is visible that diode is not there. Then I will do what I will do. I will take soldering wire. As you know, soldering wire, I will place it. I will give some soldering from one side. I will give one side soldering and I will take this clip and I will find that this diode, where is the negative terminal here. So I will find, wait a minute, I think okay, I think this is a negative. I am in right direction and it is visible that this is a negative. Okay, now I am going to place this diode and there is a terminal. I will try to do the proper. This diode is a little bit bigger size than that of previous, but it will work. Okay, because the ratings are same. So what I will do, I will solder one side, then another side. So that's why I added the soldering from one side. Okay, so I will heat this one, and I will try to place this diode on the, I will solder one side, then other side already will be done by me. Okay, I will, like, there is a more soldering iron, so I will try to remove this soldering iron, and I think it is removed now, as you can see. Keep it here again, and I'm going to again use the soldering iron, because I think all solder is missed. Okay, now it is done, and now I will use again. Keep it here. Take one side properly, heat it. Now it is done. I think it is done. Yeah, it is done properly. Then a little bit I will try to push it that side, because it is a bigger one, so we have to find the trace as well. So it is looking, yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, I'm going to find the proper trace for both one. Okay, I will give you the exact one which I was using, which is placed in previously here. Okay, now what I will do, I will use the soldering wire again here. Now if this one is soldered, I will use soldering wire again here, and I will clean my soldering tip as well. Soldering tip should be cleaned. Okay, now this is cleaned here, and I'm going to place it here, so this solder wire will go inside to it. Okay, now this is placed here, and I'm going to, okay, now as you can see, this should be understandable for you. As you can see, the all soldering wire is mixed. So what you will do, you will properly do the soldering. Okay, little bit, if it is mixed, so what you will do, you will little bit touch the soldering iron and drag it like that, like I did. Okay, now again you will take some solder from here. Okay, now it is not coming. Now what I will do, I will try to do it from here again. I will hold it here, and I will try to give the proper soldering to it. Okay, okay, now I'm going to heat that one. So इससे क्या होगा, see here, it is done. I think it is done. So when I will heat it from here, so ये क्या गया, soldering, there was previously soldering was there, so it will be work properly. I will give you, see why it is creating the problem, because these two diodes are ratings are same, but the size are different. As you can see, this is a very small, so the trace of this one is covered by this bigger one. So I'm not getting that path of the connection, but I know the way how to connect that. So as you know, it is connected from this side, so I'm using soldering one, so it will melt it. So when it will be melted, it will placed by this metal. There is a metal now, so it will be connected by then, it will melt and it will be connected that. So that's why I'm using melting trick, but I will give you the exact number of the component with the same rating. Okay, this is also a same rating, but I purchased like 10 pieces, because in my lab what it was happening, so I purchased 10 pieces, but this was a bigger one, so the rating was same, so I use this one, and it is working properly in my lab. So that's why I'm suggesting you, I will give you the exact one. Okay, so I'm using, as you can see, I use a soldering iron, soldering wire. I'm going to melt it, so it will go to the ground of it, and it will be attached to the ground. Okay, so basically ground is far from it, but when I'm giving this melting part, it will go inside the base, and वो जो base के नीचे होगा उससे attach हो जाएगा, चिपक जाएगा. Okay, so as you can see, it is melted, and it is going to the base, and it is, I think it is attached over here. Okay, I'm giving both side. Now what was the messy part here? As you can see, there is some kind of messy part is here. So messy part को हल्का हल्का सोल्डरिंग लगा के you are going to remove this one. Okay, हल्का हल्का, not a bigger one. अगर soldering, if you will use the more soldering wire, so as you can see the messy part is cleaned. I think it is cleaned. It is looking good. Now further what we will do, we'll try to test this one. So how we'll test, we'll attach the controller again, and you are going to connect this one from here as well. It should be connected. Okay, I will show you that how it will be connected. Okay, now it is connected from here. Okay, now I will try to give the power. If the power is coming, if it is like LED is glowing, it means it is working. Now it is working properly. Because this is a directly power is coming, it means the diode is working. It will show the port as well, and now it will work. Now further we will see this one, and this one was working one, and it will show also the light, as you can see. So both are working. And as I same I did it in my lab, I replaced 2 or 3, because why this was bigger one, because I purchased this one. This the company gave me bigger one. So I found a trick, and I'm using this trick for attaching and working. It is working, and this one is also working. Okay, now I will purchase the smaller one, which was exact same as that. Size was smaller. Like there is a two kind of thing, size and the rating. The current rating, the voltage rating, both are same, but what was happening, the size is bigger and this size is smaller. Okay, that was the difference. Okay, now we will meet you in next video. Thank you so much.